Hi everyone, welcome to Maths Par. This video is about nature of roots of a quadratic equation. An equation which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. And we generally find the roots of the quadratic equation by using a quadratic formula, but without actually solving this quadratic equation by using the given quadratic formula, how to state the nature of roots of given quadratic equation. Let us look ahead. Now, in this quadratic formula, b square minus 4ac is discriminant which is represented by capital D. So, when we find b square minus 4ac, then you can state the nature of roots of the given quadratic equation by knowing the value of b square minus 4ac. When discriminant is equal to 0, that is b square minus 4ac, if it is equal to 0, roots are real and equal. If say b square minus 4ac value is less than 0, then the nature of roots, that is roots will be unequal and imaginary. Say if b square minus 4ac value is greater than 0, then the roots are real and distinct. When the roots are real and distinct, we have to look at some special cases and learn them. Say if b square minus 4ac value is greater than 0, that is when d is greater than 0 and is a perfect square, then two cases will take place here. One is roots are unequal and rational, where a, b, c belongs to real number. Then roots are unequal and irrational, where b is an irrational number. Then if the same discriminant is greater than 0 and is not a perfect square, then the roots are unequal and irrational. So this is how we state the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation without actually solving the quadratic equation using a factorization procedure or a quadratic formula. Let us look at one or two examples to state the nature of roots of given quadratic equations. Example: x square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then here coefficient of x square, that is a, is 1, coefficient of x, that is b, is minus 3, and c is minus 1. Then b square minus 4ac, which is discriminant, is minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1. That is minus 3 whole square is 9, minus into minus is plus, 4 into 1 is 4, then it is 13. 13 is greater than 0. Now here, as b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, the roots are, means the roots of the given quadratic equation are real and distinct. Then another example, x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now here a is 1, b is minus 2, c is 1. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac, which is minus 2 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 1. Now here 4 minus 4, which is equal to 0. Then as b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, the roots are real and equal. The roots are real and equal. Let us look at another example where we get the discriminant value less than 0. Example, 2x square minus x plus 5 is equal to 0. Here a is 2, b is minus 1, c is 5. Then discriminant b square minus 4ac is minus 1 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 5. That is minus 1 whole square 1 minus 4 into 2 8, 8 into 5 40. So this is minus 39, which is less than 0. As b square minus 4ac is less than 0, the roots of given quadratic equation are unequal and imaginary. This is how we find the nature of roots of given quadratic equation without actually solving by factorization or quadratic formula. Thank you.